Hello and welcome. If you're working remotely, chances are you might be unknowingly stop destroying your back at work. The long hours spent in a chair, often with less than ideal posture, can take a serious toll. You might be experiencing stiffness, aches, or even persistent pain in your back, and wondering why the usual quick fixes aren't helping. Remote work environments, despite their convenience, often lead to static, non-ergonomic postures. Prolonged sitting without adequate movement or support can cause significant strain on your spine and the muscles supporting it. This isn't just general discomfort, it involves specific physical mechanisms. Imagine stacking books unevenly. Over time, the whole structure becomes unstable. Your spine works similarly, with poor posture compressing vertebrae and increasing the risk of issues. Muscles develop imbalances, with some becoming overworked and others weak, reducing overall strength and increasing injury risk. This constant physical strain can even overstimulate your nervous system, keeping your body in a state of heightened stress. Many people try to counter this with occasional stretching, hoping for a magic bullet, but random movements often lack the structure needed to truly address the built-up tension and muscular imbalances. You might feel temporary relief, but the underlying problems persist. You need a more intentional approach, a way to actively support and heal your back throughout the workday. So what should you do this instead? Instead of reactive stretching, the key is a proactive, integrated strategy. This involves learning how to listen to your body's signals, identifying where tension builds up during your specific workday, and consistently integrating targeted movements that directly counteract the effects of prolonged sitting. It's about building awareness of your posture throughout the day and having a framework to assess and adjust your physical habits. This intentional approach involves incorporating simple yet effective yoga concepts into your day. Movements like the cat-cow stretch, forward fold, or seated twist are specifically designed to increase spinal flexibility, alleviate tension, and ease stiffness in key areas like the back and shoulders. Combining these movements with mindful breathing enhances their effectiveness, promoting both physical release and mental calm. However, truly fixing your back and preventing future issues requires more than just knowing a few poses. It requires understanding how to weave these movements into a balanced sequence, how to schedule them consistently throughout your day, and how to adapt your practice to your unique workspace and challenges. It requires a system to monitor your progress and adjust your routine over time. If you're ready to stop the cycle of back pain and actively build resilience against the physical toll of remote work, and you want the complete step-by-step guide to doing this effectively, the comprehensive solution is available. Thank you for watching. For a closer look at some simple movements you can do at your desk to start easing back tension, check the detailed video linked in the description. To gain access to the full framework and discover how to integrate a sustainable, back-strengthening and stress-relieving routine into your daily life, learn more about the course linked below. To ensure you don't miss out on future modules and expert hacks, please do like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Your engagement is vital for us to keep delivering this valuable content to remote workers like you.